I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to talk a little bit about deviation requests and what a deviation request is in criminal cases for felony matters. Many times people come to my office, they've been working with another attorney, they've got a copy of their police report, and we'll look through that police report and we'll get an idea as to what's going on with the case. And one question that I ask these clients is, has your attorney submitted a deviation request? A deviation request is really just a request for a better plea offer. A plea offer that deviates from the standard plea offer. And if the client doesn't know whether or not they've requested a deviation request, normally that means that it hasn't been submitted. So one thing that we offer for free here at the firm is that if you have a criminal case, it's a felony matter, and say that your case has been going on for a couple of months and you don't really know what the status is, we can actually investigate your case for you. We can look at the police reports, we could potentially talk to the prosecutor, ask whether or not a deviation request has been submitted, and see what's happened with regards to plea negotiations. What we do here is we very aggressively negotiate any case that we have to try and negotiate the best outcome that we can, present that to our client, and then if the client wants to accept the plea agreement, great, and if they don't, then we go to trial. Also during that time, what we look for are ways to get the case dismissed. We look for ways to get the case thrown out for a technical violation. And usually that helps the plea process. It helps get a better plea if we're filing motions to suppress or motions to dismiss. We're filing deviation requests. We're calling up the prosecutor. We're asking for settlement conferences. There are a number of things that we can do to really make that prosecutor be aware of we're on the case and we're asking for really an extraordinary outcome. So if you are not really certain as to whether or not your attorney has filed a deviation request, you can give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number, and we can sit down with you, get to know your case a little bit, and call up the prosecutor if that's what you want us to do, and we can find out what moves has the attorney made to try and negotiate the best possible outcome. And we can basically walk you through the process as to what it is we would do in your case to possibly get a great outcome, to get a plea agreement which deviates or is quite a bit lower than what normally is extended. So if you have any questions whatsoever about how a criminal case in Arizona works, a felony matter where you're looking at potentially prison time or a lot of jail time, and you want to make sure you're getting the best possible plea agreement that you can, give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number. 602-989-5000. My name's Nick Alcock. I'm the owner of Alcock & Associates, and thanks so much.